Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So I hope you people are doing good. In this video we are going to deal with another topic from CSAT reasoning, which is blood relations. So blood relations helps us to find relations among family members. So here in this video we are going to discuss what type of questions are asked in the exam. So if you see here is a small list of basic blood relations that you have to remember, because while solving problems it will be easy for you to understand what type of questions you can solve and how this relation will help you. And also you need to do one thing is you need to keep some symbols for relations. For example, if you see here, I have taken the symbol of minus as female, plus as male. This equals to is considered as married couple, and this arrow mark is considered as siblings, and this line is considered as for generation. So now let's see what type of questions are asked, and let's also discuss some examples. The very first type of question that can be asked in the exam is pointing or indicating someone. That is, in this type of questions a man or woman will point to a photograph, and in that photograph they will point to a particular person and they will explain the relation. We have to find out what relation they are explaining. So the example question is, pointing to a man in a photograph, a woman says, "He is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law." How is man related to woman? And the options are father, brother, husband, father-in-law. So here you have to remember one thing before solving, that is always consider me or my as yourself, so that it will be easy for you to understand the question. So here also I am doing the same thing. Here in the question it is saying that he is the father of my only daughter-in-law. So I am considering my as myself. So here it is saying that my only daughter-in-law. So only daughter-in-law is nothing but I have one son and my son is married, and my son wife will be my daughter-in-law. So here I am considering myself, and here is my son, and this is my son's wife, and she is my daughter-in-law. So my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law, that is my daughter-in-law's father-in-law is nothing but my son's father, that is he is my husband, right? So here he is the father-in-law of daughter and he will be the father of my son. Okay, now he is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. That is, if you neglect this part, he is the father of who? Father-in-law, that is daughter-in-law's father-in-law. So the man I am pointing in the photograph is the father of my daughter's father-in-law, that is he is the father of my husband, right? So here he is the father of my husband. Now the question is, how is man related to man? That is, how is my husband father related to me? So my husband's father, how he is related to me? He is my father-in-law. So the option will be father-in-law, which is option number D. So I hope you have understood it. Now coming to the second type of question, which is coded relation. So in this you get relations of family members represented by specific code or symbol. For example, if you see here, P plus Q means P is father of Q. P minus Q means P is mother of Q. P into Q means P is brother of Q. P divided by Q means P is sister of Q. P, this is the star. P star Q means P is son of Q, and P hashtag Q means P is daughter of Q. Okay. Now this is a particular relation, and this is given in specific codes, right? Specific symbols. Now what is the question is, how is A related to F? And here the relation is given. So here in the above they have given P and Q. We are going to replace it with A and B. So the first one is A star B. So here P star Q means P is son of Q. Similarly, A is son of Q. So we are representing it here with the diagram, that is A is the son of B, right? So A is the male because son is nothing but male. So A will be the male, and I have already told you I am representing male with plus symbol. So A is the male, and B I don't know whether it is male or female, so I am not representing anything right now. Next thing is B divided by C, that is B is the sister of C. So here B is the sister. So here it is revealed that B is female. So I am indicating female with minus symbol. So here it is minus, and the B and C are siblings. So I am taking the arrow symbol and writing here B is the sister of C, right? The next thing is C hashtag D, which is nothing but C is the daughter of D. So here it is given C is the daughter of D and C is female. So I am representing again C with minus symbol, and here C is the daughter of D. I don't know the gender of D, so I am not writing anything. So here they are indicating generation, so I am writing D here. Next thing is D is the father of E. D is the father of E. So here not only C, D also has another child. So that is D is the father of E, but I don't know who is he. He is male or female, I don't know. So I am not representing anything here, but I know D is the father. So D is male, so I am representing him with plus. Okay. So here if you see one thing carefully, here B and C are siblings. Similarly, C is the child of D, right? So when C is the child of D and E is also child of D, so B, C, E will be siblings. So I am representing E and C with this symbol, right? Next thing is E star F, that is E is the son of Q. Sorry, E is the son of F. So here they are revealed the gender of E, that is he is male. So I am representing him with plus. So E is the son of F. So here they are indicating generation. So I am writing like this. Now here D is male, and here we don't know the gender of F. E is the child of D and F. So D and F can be a married couple. So I am indicating this symbol. And now if D is female, compulsorily F will be, if D is male, compulsorily F will be female. So here this is the pattern relation. Now the question is, how is A related to F? That is, A is here and they are asking how is A related to F. Okay. So here we have come to a conclusion that B, C, E are the children of D and F, right? So F is the mother of B and B is the mother of A. Now they are asking what is the relation between A and F. So if F is mother of B and B is mother of A, then automatically A will be the grandchild of F, right? Here this A is male and he is the son of B. So A will be the grandson of F. That is option B. So I hope you have understood it. And the last type of question that we get from blood relations is puzzle relation. So here I have given an example. Let's solve this. So here it is, A is sister of B, B is brother of C, C is son of D. How is A related to D? Options are mother, daughter, son, uncle. So here they have given just a relation and they are asking us to find out the relation between A and D. So first let us see what is the relation between A, B, C, D. So for that the first one is A is sister of B. That is, here they have revealed the gender of A, that is female. So I am representing A with minus sign and they are siblings. So we are taking arrow and here we are writing B, right? The next one is B is brother of C. So here they have revealed the gender of B. He is male. So I am representing him with plus symbol and they both are siblings, so we are indicating this with arrow. And the next one is C is the son of D. Here they have revealed the gender of C, that is son. He is also male, so here we are indicating him with plus. Now here they have told that C is the son of D. So this is a generation. So D and C relation can be written like this, and C is the son of D. Here we don't know the gender of D, so we are not indicating nothing. Now we have found out the relation between A, B, C, D. So here they have told that C is the son of D, right? So when C is the son of D, similarly if C is related to A and B, so these three A, B, C are siblings, automatically A and B will be the child of D, right? Now let's see how A is related to D. So if D is the son of C, same way B will be the son of D and A will be the daughter of D. I hope you have understood this. So the answer for this question will be daughter, that is A is a daughter of D, which is option number B. So I hope you have understood what type of questions can be asked from blood relations. In our next videos we will discuss some practice questions of blood relations, and after that we will move to another topic. So I hope you have understood the concept. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.